Hey everyone, have you ever unlocked your phone just by looking at it? Or how does Netflix always seem to know exactly what you'd like to watch next? Well, these things are possible because of AI. Nope, not that scary AI robot takeover that some people fear. No, this AI is actually friendly and helpful, and it's been right under our noses for years now. So let me ask you, what is AI and how can you start understanding it too? Well, get ready to find out. Have you ever wondered how your phone unlocks just by looking at your face, or how Netflix always seems to know what you want to watch next? That's the power of AI, artificial intelligence. Now I know it sounds complicated, but it's not really. AI is basically when machines are designed to think and learn just like us but digitally. The easiest way to picture it. Think of AI as a brain made of code. It can see, hear, learn, and even talk just like humans. But here's the catch, it's not magic or sci-fi robots. It's smart software trained to solve problems by using data. So, let's break it down further with an example. Say you're teaching AI to tell the difference between cats and dogs. You show it lots of pictures of each and describe them. This is called training. Then the AI looks at new photos it hasn't seen before and tries to guess if it is a cat or a dog based on what it learned. If it gets it wrong, it adjusts how it recognizes things so it can get better over time. This is similar to how kids learn to recognize a cat after seeing many different ones, except the AI learns super fast and never forgets. And no, it doesn't just live in those crazy robots you see in the movies. In fact, it's already part of our everyday lives in ways you might not even realize. Here are just a few examples. Have you ever unlocked your phone with facial recognition? That's AI. Or how about those times when Netflix or YouTube recommends a video or movie you end up liking? Yep, that's AI too. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, self-driving cars, Instagram and TikTok filters, and even medical tools that help doctors diagnose diseases. AI is everywhere. Now let's break down two key terms without the boring jargon. So this stuff isn't just fancy words, it's stuff you should know about: machine learning. When computers learn patterns from data, they look at tons of info and find hidden links we might miss, like if you buy milk, it might also suggest buying cookies because people who buy milk often buy cookies too. That's how AI helps businesses and organizations make smarter choices and save time. Then there's neural networks. These programs are inspired by how the human brain works. They use layers of code to process lots of info, kind of like how our brain processes what we see, hear, and feel. It helps AI understand and react to things in a more human-like way. Now that you know what AI is, let's talk about why it matters. It's not just some cool tech, it has real benefits for us. First off, AI helps us save time and boost productivity. It can handle boring or hard tasks faster and better than us, like looking through huge piles of info to find useful bits. Then there's making fast, data-based decisions. Imagine using detailed info to predict the weather, fight diseases, or even make self-driving cars safer. AI can analyze tons of info quickly to help experts make smarter choices. But that's not all. AI also helps us innovate and create cool new tools. It can help us translate languages automatically, predict climate changes, or even control robots. And finally, AI creates new careers in tech and other fields. As AI grows, it will need experts to build, train, and care for it, opening up new job chances for folks with the right skills. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some folks worry that AI might take away more jobs than it creates. And you know what? They have a point. As AI gets better at doing stuff, it might replace some jobs, like truck drivers or factory workers. It's a real concern. But here's the thing, new tech usually changes the job market. Think about how the internet or smartphones affected jobs. Many old jobs disappeared, but loads of new ones popped up. The same goes for AI. It's not just taking jobs, it's also creating new ones. The key is to keep learning and adapt to these changes. Another concern is that AI might make unfair or biased choices. You see, AI learns from the data we give it. So if the data is biased, the AI will be biased too. For example, if most pictures of people doing something dangerous are labeled with certain names, the AI might think those people are more likely to be a threat. That's a big deal. We need to teach AI to recognize and avoid bias in itself. there's also the question of safety, especially in important areas like healthcare or transportation. If an AI makes a mistake while diagnosing a disease or driving a car, it could have serious consequences. We need to make sure AI is trustworthy and safe before using it in these areas. But hey, every new technology comes with challenges. We just need to be aware of them and work to solve them. In the end, AI is just a tool. How we use it determines its impact. Overall, AI is a game changer. It's helping us do things we never thought possible. By understanding how it works, we can use it to make our lives better. Whether it's solving complex problems or making everyday tasks easier, AI is shaping our future and we're just getting started. And hey, don't forget, there's so much more to explore in the world of AI and digital skills. Subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and stay curious. Who knows where your journey might take you? You never know what amazing opportunities await you in the field of AI. So keep learning, stay open-minded, and embrace the future. And remember, it's not just about understanding AI, it's about using it to make a positive impact on the world. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI is transforming our world, and you can be part of that transformation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.